Golfstash is the new world-first everyday carry hard case crafted just for golfers. An incredibly versatile, innovative organiser that ensures you have every key accessory with you at all times. Golfstash has been professionally designed by a renowned industrial designer and passionate golfer. It has a place for all your essentials: ball markers, tees, your AirPods, wedding ring, divot tool, range token, cash for money games, and so much more. We developed an innovative swivel out tray providing a second layer of access to vital items such as medication. The ball marker tray can be accessed without opening the lid and closes magnetically. We also feature 2 areas for magnetic ball marker attachment. We created Golfstash because golfers are always missing something. Being organised with your everyday carry will ensure you can focus on your routine, execute every shot, and make those putts just when you need to. Our product is designed to last a lifetime and will fit any golf bag, golf buggy or cart, and can hang from a carabiner when needed. Golfstash is water resistant and made from premium UV stable materials. To make yours unique, the magnetic stainless steel badge can be engraved with your name or some words that inspire you. Back us on Kickstarter and be one of the first to let Golfstash transform your golf journey.